In the eternal battle against pet messes and stubborn stains, finding the right ally can make all the difference. Enter the Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner, a formidable weapon in the war against grime and odors. In this review, we'll dive deep into what makes this powerhouse of a cleaner stand out from the crowd, why it's a game changer for pet owners, and how it can revolutionize your cleaning routine. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cleaning your home like a pro. The power of clean. Let's start with the basics. Cleaning power. The Hoover PowerDash doesn't just clean carpets, it obliterates dirt and stains with ruthless efficiency. With 2x more cleaning power than its lightweight counterparts, this compact marvel is a force to be reckoned with. Thanks to its PowerSpin Pet brush roll, even the most stubborn messes don't stand a chance. Ease of use. One of the most frustrating aspects of cleaning can be wrestling with heavy, cumbersome equipment. Thankfully, the PowerDash is here to change the game. Its lightweight and compact design makes it a breeze to maneuver, whether you're tackling high-traffic areas, area rugs, or small spaces. Say goodbye to lugging around bulky cleaners and hello to effortless cleaning. Quick drying action. We all know the feeling of waiting for freshly cleaned carpets to dry. With Heat Force technology, the PowerDash cuts down drying time significantly, so you can get back to enjoying your space faster. No more tiptoeing around damp carpets. This innovative feature ensures that your floors are dry and ready to walk on in no time. Pet-friendly design. For pet owners, dealing with messes is just part of the territory. That's why the PowerDash is specifically designed with pets in mind. Not only does it tackle stains and odors with ease, but the brush roll also helps protect the unit against lingering pet smells. Say goodbye to pet-related carpet woes and hello to a fresh, clean home. What's included? As if all these features weren't enough, the Hoover PowerDash comes with a trial-size carpet cleaning solution to enhance your cleaning performance even further. It's the perfect complement to an already impressive cleaning machine. In conclusion, the Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner is a game changer for pet owners and anyone looking to keep their carpets clean and fresh. With its unparalleled cleaning power, user-friendly design, quick drying action, and pet-friendly features, it's a must-have for any home. Say goodbye to stains, odors, and frustration, and hello to clean, beautiful carpets. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.